In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview over my website, trainingscientist.com. Going to show you the different courses and course options, and we'll show you how everything looks like after you've registered. Let's have a look at the course overview table, where you can compare the Python for Scientists course, the Python for Biologists course, and the Python Basics course. They all consist of modules, and the Python Basics course ends after the fourth module. We cover the introduction, syntax, first examples with NumPy and Matplotlib, advanced NumPy topics, pandas, file I/O, and AI topics like ChatGPT. We end the Python Basics course with a plotting lecture, so how to visualize data in a way that you can put it into your papers. The Python for Scientists course goes beyond that with the next 3 modules about Git, string formatting, and video creation, so how to create visually pleasing movies out of your data. We also cover good programming practice topics like notebook structure. In the next lecture, we look at interpolation, fitting, and filtering of data and put everything together in a data analysis example in the end. And the last lecture of the Python for Scientists course is this one, where we create files, look at generators, parallelize our code, use SymPy, which has similar functionality to Mathematica, and integrate our plots to overleaf with Git. In the Python for Biologists course, these last 4 lectures are optional, meaning participants get access to all of the lecture materials, but it's going to depend on the group which ones we're going to discuss in the tutorials. Which brings me to the next topic, the difference between the on-demand courses and the live courses. On-demand, you only get access to all the lecture videos and lecture materials and the Python scripts. The live courses go beyond that, where you get everything from the on-demand courses, but on top, you also get the Zoom meetings where we discuss the exercises that come with the lectures in detail, fix problems, and also talk about topics that go beyond the lecture materials. In this table, you see the upcoming live courses and the dates at which the tutorials are going to be, and it will be updated depending on the plan of the courses. Next, frequently asked questions are answered here. Here's the about part of the page, so if you want to know if I actually know what I'm talking about, you can check that out. Some references and contact. Let me show you how you can get access to the courses. If you are an individual, you can simply go back to the tables here. Let's say you want to get access to the Python for Biologists lecture materials. You simply add it to cart. Then you will see this pop-up here. You can either view the cart or go directly to the checkout process. Once you go there, you see this page where you enter your information and you have credit card and PayPal as payment options. If you are part of a group from a university or a graduate school, you can instead go straight to the registration and enter your information here. So first name, last name, email address, and put the license code here, which will also give you access to the courses. After you log in, this is what the user area looks like. When you scroll down, you see your courses here. Let's have a look at the Python for Biologists course, where you see the course contents, so the installation, the basics, and the specializations. Let's say you're interested in interpolation. Click here, and you see the lessons and the materials. In the materials section, you can download all the lecture scripts and the Python files. And on the lessons tab, you see all the relevant videos to this lecture. If you book the on-demand course, this is how you would do it. You download the materials, you watch the lecture videos, and you do the exercises whenever you have time. In the blended learning courses, we additionally have scheduled Zoom meetings. So you watch the lecture videos, prepare the exercises, come to the Zoom meeting where we discuss everything, and then go to the next module, watch the lecture videos, do the exercises, and again, come to the Zoom tutorial.